Hi guys, I'm Abhinav and I'm at Classic Service Point in Noida. With me is my friend Mudit. He and his father, they customize 4x4s over here. They've been doing it for about 40 years now, and we've got a very cool Thar that we want to show you today. So without further delay, let's take a look. Mudit, this is a petrol auto, right?
Yes.
And the owner wanted it to have a very aesthetic look when he decided to build it.
So
So,
got a rally style complete body roof rack.
okay.
Yes.
So let's take a look at the roof rack. So this is your roof rack. It's mounted at 8 places.
Yes, 8 mounts. 2
Over
at the
here?
front,
Okay.
2 at the side. Actually, 4.
Okay.
So 2, 4, 6.
Right.
And,
And it's mounted over here. So the Thar, it doesn't have a lot of space on the inside to carry a lot of luggage. So if you have this roof rack mounted, it gives you the flexibility of carrying your luggage on top of the car. Okay. This is also running aftermarket alloy wheels
16-inch
16-inch BFG KO tires. This is the original KO tire. It's not the KO2 that I have on mine.
these are the cables.
Yeah, so this is a KO. The offset is not that extreme as is on the steel rims that I have. This is more in line with the body of the car. And then Mudit, I see that it only has 4 alloys. The spare tire is not at the rear, however it's up here. So why did the owner decide to put his rim over there?
That's completely the owner's choice.
Okay, so it's just an
Fine.
aesthetic thing.
Yes.
He wanted to do that.
Yes.
And instead, what he's done is he's done something very smart. So he's put a jerry can over here. Because this car is quite a guzzler. This is a petrol auto.
Not, you get a mileage not more than 7.
Yeah, so you
Driving in city.
would need to carry fuel if you're headed to the hills.
Yes.
And then it's also running a Polar exhaust. We'll listen to it. First, let's take a look at the
This got a
mods
reverse
on it.
clamp.
So these are good when you're camping, when
These are for reverse.
These are for reverse.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because so even I faced this. When you're reversing it at dark, the screen is not very good on this car. So you end up guessing a lot. So alright, that makes sense. So this helps. Then you've got these foot pegs over here to climb. Mudit, please
same way.
demonstrate.
Yes. That's how you climb the top.
So it's not all that difficult to get on the top of this roof. And Mudit, this is mounted on the stock roof, right?
Yes, this is stock fiber hardtop.
Okay.
Can easily take my weight or more.
Yeah,
You can take this fairly loud.
right. And then you've got these lights over here at the side.
These are the marker lights.
These are marker lights. Okay. So guys, take a look how difficult or easy it is to get off the roof. You decide whether you guys can, do it or not. Yeah. Mudit is a young chap, so easy for him. So what else is on this car, Mudit?
Only this thing. For future, we're planning a bumper for this.
Okay. You were telling me about the grill.
Yes, this is got a vintage style beach bug grill.
Okay.
There's no slat, only a mesh.
Okay.
And these hex bowls,
All right.
very aesthetic look.
And then it has a bash plate also.
A complete metal mesh plate.
So is it a full underbody thing or is it just the front?
Just for the front.
Okay. And it's made out of mild steel?
Yes.
Okay.
This is not a regular, bash plate. This is completely purpose built for, off-road.
Okay.
This got ribs in this, the side to give it more rigidity.
Okay.
So,
So that's what this car has on the outside. You were telling me that it has a few modifications on the inside as well.
yes. To make it more practical. So, this got a small basket.
It's
at the
not
tailgate.
small.
It's not small, obviously.
It's decently big.
Just to make things more organized, keep your place in things. So This is the basket, and this has got a roof basket as well. Been sold. If you
Okay.
want to keep your water bottle,
Right.
cleaning cloth, or anything, this can take it in. Like you just put it
Right.
like this.
Nice, nice. Not bad. And I see that, you know, the interiors, the steering wheel and all, they're leather wrapped.
And this has got a long grab handle as well. So you've been seeing small grab handles.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is the
yeah,
long
yeah.
one.
Oh. So this is sturdier?
Yes.
Okay. And then it's got this leather wrapping over here. Steering wheel is all leather. Seats are also. This is not stock Mahindra the seat cover, right?
No.
This has been done by you guys?
No, no.
Okay, all right. Not bad. So, can we hear the car?
Yes.
The exhaust note.
Yes.
Please start her up.
The car sounds more basic now.
Yeah. I mean, it's not very loud. It's not a full system or anything. It's just an end can tip, right?
The one who got the. We've not done it, by the way.
Oh, okay. That's okay. That's okay. But it's still a decent build. So, okay, this is closed. So, can we install a water tanker system on this
Yes,
also?
yes, yes.
It can all be done.
Yes.
So, Mudit, if you could tell us a little bit about the costs involved, how much would a setup a roof rack like this cost?
So this is just a basic, roof rack, body mounted. As I said in the last video, the range starts from $55,000.
Okay.
And you go for more add-ons, the cost increases. Like you want to go for jerry cans or max tracks or anything like the light setup and etc. etc.
Okay.
So the cost increases.
So, guys, if you know,
This is a rally style that costs about 7,000.
okay.
Yeah.
So guys, if you want a build like this or if you're interested in knowing exact prices, I'm gonna leave Mudit's contact details in the description. Give these guys a call if you want a build, have a word with them, discuss with them, because pricing would again depend on what you get, right?
So, we take custom projects and
Right.
we don't have any fixed cost. So, as the client, states the requirements,
Right.
that way we calculate the cost.
Okay. Okay.
So, prices vary.
Right. And a build like this, how much time would it take?
So, go for 20 days, 15 or 20.
So let's say at the very max a month. In a month it should be done. Right.
Can be less.
Can be less, but at the very max a month. All right, so guys, this was a quick overview of this build, this particular car. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll discuss those questions with Mudit. He also watches videos on YouTube, so he can answer them himself if he feels like. Otherwise, I'll definitely do. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.